Long time coming, but I know. Yeah, I mean, that's a look, 79. Look, look, listen, 79, 79. OnePlus has been making a lot of noise with the new Nord smartphone, budget-minded smartphone, but this is, I mean, they put this out too, the OnePlus Buds at the event, kind of at the end part of the event. And so, you know, for me, at least in the studio, these went overlooked. They got put to the side for a moment for obvious reasons. But these, in some ways, well, at least for some people, you know, might even be as exciting or interesting. The key factor with these things is the price. So OnePlus took a concept that's pretty well established at this point, which is the fully wireless earbud, and brought it down to a price that makes it a lot more approachable for people who have been avoiding the $159 to $200 price points that many of these style of headphones come with. So these things look a lot like AirPods. They are kind of like Galaxy Buds. They're in that same territory. Well, they're more like AirPods if we had to say between the two. But the price tag is quite a bit different. These are $79. And this could really help some people get into a fully wireless setup that were avoiding it because of the cost. So I have two in front of me, the Nord blue version as well as the white version. I'm gonna start by unboxing the blue one, and then the white one I'll unbox at the end for a quick visual comparison. So what does it say on the package? Easy to use, sound quality, environmental noise cancellation, and 30 hours endurance with warp charge. So you can use your same charger that you have for your OnePlus device to charge these up. I don't know what they mean by environmental noise cancellation. I guess we'll find out when we try them on. Rated capacity for the charge box is 420 milliamp hours. If that's interesting to you, obviously it's like a lot of these other systems. The case itself is going to recharge the buds. Now they're calling this Nord Blue. That's because this color matches the blue version of the brand new Nord, which I should probably have here, and I don't. Downstairs on the table. Woo! Would you look at that? Look at that pairing right there. Blue and blue. So this is going to be a kind of a flashy setup, a youthful type of look. Anyways, good thing we got the phone to complete the pair. All right, here we go. Okay, so there are the buds. And the container is a little bit bigger than AirPods. Probably smaller than Galaxy Buds, and certainly pocketable. Of course, when compared to AirPods, you have the convenience here, at least in my case, of having a Type-C connector on the bottom, so one charger, no more need for Lightning. And then you've also got this LED indicator on the front. The hinge is very AirPod-esque, and we have a button on the back as well. Crack them open. Ooh, all right. Unveil the kind of yellowish, greenish combination thing going on. It certainly is a style actually that carries through onto the back of the earbud as well, that color combo. And we try these on. Do they go into pairing right away? Ooh. So that for me is a slightly more secure fit than an AirPod. It's a slightly larger ear tip. It doesn't fit very deep in the ear canal. It's still a casual earbud, but for me, that's a slightly tighter setup. So that's going to be a little more convenient for any type of fitness or physical activity. Also inside the package, you're going to find your user guide and your Type-C cable. And they've gone ahead and given a short little Type-C cable to charge this up, which is kind of convenient. Of course, as I mentioned, any Type-C cable, including the one that came with your smartphone, is going to be fine for this purpose as well. And then a little bit of paperwork on the inside also. So let's see if these things have any juice. Did they go straight to pairing? They didn't tell me anything yet. I'm going to go ahead and try to pair them with my OnePlus 8 Pro. There we go. Okay, so we are now in pairing mode. Tap to pair. What are we gonna do? One touch pair? Okay. I didn't even have to be in the Bluetooth settings. At least on this OnePlus device, it gave me a little graphic and an indicator, and then just like that, we're connected. A little added convenience for OnePlus users, but it's typical Bluetooth stuff. Anybody compare to it, obviously. All right, so let me go ahead actually and put some tunes on here real quick.
That's a good choice right there.
Oh, okay. Button, touch button on the side. Changing songs. Touch area. Long time coming, but I know. Yeah, I mean, that's a, look, 79, look, listen, 79, 79, I don't know what's up there. It's been a long time coming, but I know. You know, I just realized that somehow YouTube Music knows when I'm going to do a headphone video, because somehow Sam Cooke always comes up. I'll tell you right now, as soon as, even if it's a recent mix, somehow, he paired a new pair of headphones. Better hit him with the Sam Cooke. 79, I don't know what, it's not going to go up against your pro level in-ear, like say the AirPods Pro, or maybe even the Galaxy Buds, but for a 79, and I gotta be honest with you, most of the time I reach for a convenient pair of earbuds, more so just because I don't necessarily want to be cut off from the whole world or mess around with the settings to put the pass-through audio. A lot of the times I just need a convenient earbud to just have a podcast in the background and still hear my surroundings to a certain extent. So I could see myself reaching for this. This thing is about sort of a convenient, easy entry into the full wireless future that many people are taking part in. Now you can take part in it too for $79, and you can do it in a flashy manner if you decide to go for this particular color scheme. OnePlus Buds, 30 hours of sound includes the charge case. On their own, you're looking at 7 hours for music on a fully charged pair of earphones. 10 minutes of charge with your 30-watt fast charger is going to enable your earphones to be listened to for 10 hours. So 10 minutes equals 10 hours. Equipped with a unique noise cancellation algorithm and 3 microphones to improve quality, OnePlus Buds will filter out background noise for clear voice recordings and easy-to-hear calls. The Buds feature 13.4 millimeter dynamic drivers and 3D stereo through the use of Dolby Atmos. Oh, instant fast pair. What is that? I don't even have to go to Bluetooth at all? Hold on. How does that work? Oh, yeah. So they did figure out fast pair as well, which is quite convenient. You don't have to jump all the way into Bluetooth. No need. That's lovely. I'm very happy about that. So that's the white ones now. Previously it was those ones. Just hold the thing near, lift up the lid. It's not quite as fast as what happens on iOS, but very convenient. These buds also feature an IPX4 rating, so they're safe from splashes and you can use them for different activities like going for a jog, maybe get a little sweat on them, no big deal.